Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam brooch vase. And so what you're going to need, you'll need some of these multi-packs or bulk packs of brooches. And these brooches have a silver setting with rhinestone and pearl embellishments. They are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now, you're also going to need some white iridescent glitter. I picked this up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now, from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these fishbowl shaped vases. You're going to need some tacky glue, a large piece of foam board, and that's all from Dollar Tree. And from Walmart, I picked up some of these peel and stick gemstones. You can find these peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue on this project for the purposes of the video, but if you'd like to use this, make this vase for a lasting purpose, or if you're going to be using it for an extended period of time, you would want to use something to make it permanent, like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this glam brooch vase turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. You could make a centerpiece with this for a wedding, a special event. You could do a number of them right down the center of a table. But yes, it's very versatile. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, I hope you will subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.